Are you looking for the best large 3D printer? In this video, we will look at some of the best large 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Artillery Sidewinder X1 V4 3D Printer. Back with a bang, Artillery releases Sidewinder X1 V4. After releasing the Sidewinder X1 in 2018, which got mostly negative reviews, the company took it all into consideration and gave birth to the V4. This large 3D printer is one of the many models that came out to rival the Creality CR10 printer. A large number of manufacturers made machines just like this since Creality got great success with the model. The Artillery Sidewinder X1, however, is not just a reproduction of the CR10 but boasts some great features such as a huge heating bed, direct drive extruder, and filament runout detection and recovery among others. The Sidewinder stands out from its competitors in terms of price with its ultra-quiet stepper drivers along with the 300x 300x 400mm build volume area. With its sleek and stylish design, this is the ideal printer for professionals or beginners alike. Number 2. Sindoh 3DWOX1 3D Printer. The Sindoh 3DWOX1 is an upgrade from its predecessor the DP200. The 3DWOX1 boasts a wide number of newer features such as a flexible detachable build plate and supports third-party filaments. With a flexible build plate, there is no damage to your 3D models as a result of scraping like with other machines. At the same time, the auto-loading filament feeder and semi-automatic bed leveling make certain you get your prints done at the right angle in the quickest time possible. You will also find that the printer is quiet when in use and boasts a quiet noise level of 40 dB. In the event of a time-consuming print job, you can remotely monitor your print job due to the camera and LED lighting on the machine itself. Prior to printing, just download 3DWOX mobile app on any of your devices and monitor print progress regardless of where you are. In addition, you have the ability to set up an email notification to notify you when the print job is done. Silence is the most pleasing sound of 3D printing. With its library noise level of 40 dB, you can now enjoy doing all kinds of things that require silence such as reading a book or taking a nap. Number 3. Makerbot Replicator Z18 Printer. Looking for massive build volume without taking up a lot of room? Then look no further than the Makerbot Replicator Z18, the 5th generation of printers from the company. A small and up-to-date printer that fits somewhere between consumer and industrial 3D printers. For what you will be able to achieve with the best 3D printer for large prints, the price point is also the most compelling evidence as to why this printer is a great buy. The new approach to this particular printer is the inclusion of a smart extruder. The smart extruder is a swappable extruder that lends to many advantages like filament detection, pausing prints, and allowing you to switch heads if filament jam, thereby allowing you to complete prints without having to clean the extruder head before continuing. An overall user-friendly machine with its app and cloud-enabled Makerbot OS, the Replicator Z18 is perfect for full-scale prototypes and models. Number 4. Makerbot Replicator 2 Desktop 3D Printer. In like manner to the Makerbot Replicator Z18, the Replicator 2X is also a desktop 3D printer ideal for high-resolution prototypes and complex models. This printer comes with an experimental dual extrusion for printing with Makerbot ABS filament. The dual nozzles allow you to print in 2 colors without swapping or pausing your print. The extruder filament feeding system reduces skipping, stripping, and jamming during printing. What is even better is that the feeding system parts do not wear out in the long run nor do they need constant adjusting. Make generating dual extrusion print less troublesome with the use of Makerbot software for cutting-edge developments in ABS filament technology. With consistent updates to the software, you will benefit from a reduction in filament reversal, retraction, and overrun. This, in turn, leads to more definitions between colors.